Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its topic is festivals in Pakistan. My dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7. So what we will read? We will read about naming, action and describing words from advertisement on page number 109. So today we are going to learn about advertisement. So before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about advertisements. There is on page number 26. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about it. Our today's students' learning outcome is classify into different categories and use more naming, action and describing words from pictures, signboards, advertisements, labels, etc. in their immediate and extended environment. So this is our today's SLO and we are going to discuss about it. So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah An-Naba, verse number 1 to what are they asking one another about? About the momentous news. Yes, my dear students, have you got what this beautiful verse is telling us? What is the message? Yes, what they are asking one another about. So these verses are from Surah An-Naba, verse number 2, and these verses are telling us about the day of resurrection. When Allah Almighty revealed a verse that there is a life after death, you have to face your Allah Almighty and you will be the answerable of your all actions. So then the people were so conscious and they were discussing that how it is possible that Allah Almighty will give life again when there were bones. How Allah Almighty? So this was the discussion, and this is a news that Allah Almighty revealed to the people that you are answerable and you will be answerable in the day after death. Okay, so this is such type of questions they were discussing with each other and was asking that, and they were in doubt that how it is possible. So it is possible because Allah Almighty that one time can make a man, so how it is impossible for him to create a human being for the second time. Okay, so firm belief, keep belief on it and be on right path, straight path, inshallah, my dear students. So pre-reading question is there. Yes, what is an advertisement? Already we have learned, my dear teacher. Pause the video and get answer from your student. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have given answer in a nice way, and because we have already learned a lot about it. So today we are going to learn more about it. So what is an advertisement? Advertisement is a public message. So what is a public message that we give. What is public message? We give openly to the people. Public message means something that we display openly in community. So advertisements are a method of reaching an audience by creating an engaging ad and spending enough to reach your target users. Advertisements can have an immediate impact on business. What are advertisements and why these advertisements are so necessary? This advertisement is a public message, my dear students. That message we want to expand in public. We want to display openly in the community. So we get the way of advertisement because advertisement is an attractive way to interact with your customers, that you want that someone may interact and you may reach your actual target, okay, in an easy way. So see there, what is the purpose of advertisement? The advertisements are, and how we can give advertisements in different ways. So see there, newspapers, magazines and brochures, advertisements, etc. One is there, my dear students. We give advertisements, we can search and we can see advertisement in the shape of newspaper, magazines, brochures, and advertisements. Okay, these are also formed. And the next way is television and radio advertisements. Some advertisements we will get on television and radio. In television, how we, in the shape of commercials, different commercials are there that we see every time on television. So this is also the way of advertisement to get their job, to get their business to expand. Okay, this is the way. And the next is banners, flags, wraps, etc. So this is also on the roads we can see banners, flags. So this is also the way of an advertisement. If we want to that something that your job or your any business you want to know to other people, that other people should know about it, so we get these ways. Advertisements displayed over the internet and digital devices. Now internet, we know that internet is an easy access and everyone is using, and we can get easy access to internet, that how we can get about a thing, about a business, if there is a job vacancy, anything else is there, so we can find by an advertisement. Okay, see there is an advertisement page, you can see that, and how which things are highlighting there. So see, first is like company. So we will find which is the company logo will be there, or there will be name, my dear students. And next, what is the purpose? Job vacancy. There is a job vacancy advertisement that you need a job, or this company needs an employee for these designations. So job descriptions will be highlighted there. There is a job positions and details, which job descriptions are there, see there. And next is address. So where is this company is located, you can see there is an address will be there, where we have to get this advertisement if we want to apply for a job, for anything else. So how we can get, so these are there. And contact number at the end, you will find a contact number if you want to make call to them. So then these features are compulsory while making an advertisement for anything else. Okay, so you have to keep focus that how you can make an advertisement. So my dear students, see there is job advertisement, is there shop assistant required. So you can see there how this is organized. Baby's clothes, which shop assistant is there, this is for baby's clothes. There is also pictures of baby's clothes, so you can see. So what we are looking for, a shop assistant for our outlet in Islamabad, 25 hours per week. How much time that worker will be on duty? 25 hours per week. Okay, must have work experience. Starting salary is 20,000. So this is also, everything is clear in this advertisement. If anyone is interested, so can make call. If you are interested, you should have excellent communication skills, multitasking ability, polite and cheerful aptitude, and hardworking. So these qualities they need in a worker. That job advertisement is that they need these qualities. They have excellent communication skills, that if they have to discuss, if they have to deal customers, they should be dealt with a nice way. So these are, and how you will apply. To apply, you can call on this number. Yes, so this is the way how we can give an advertisement for any job or for anything else. Okay, have you got, my dear students? Good. So now it's time to move towards an activity. Yes, my dear teachers, divide class in 5 groups. Every group will ask maximum questions about the advertisements on page number 26 and write about naming words, action words, and describing words from the given advertisements in your notebook. That is on page number 109. Okay, my dear students, that open page number 109, and there is a job description, that whole advertisement, and there what you will do, yes, you will draw 3 columns in your notebook, and you will find naming words, action words, and describing words from this advertisement. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this activity in class in their notebooks. Excellent job, and I hope you have done it in a nice way and you got that how we can find different words, different parts of speech from an advertisement. Good job, my dear students. So what's our homework for today? Read 5 advertisements you come across on the way to home from school and write 5 naming, 5 action and 5 describing words about them in your notebooks. So while going home, when we are leaving school and after all we go to home, so definitely we come across a lot of brochures, banners and advertisements are there. So you will find and you will write 5 naming words, 5 describing words and 5 action words in your notebook. So this is your homework for today. So my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet is for students. You should click it, provide it to your students in printed form and get that how they can find things in an advertisement. Okay. So what we have learned today, what we covered, we learned to read and classify more naming, action and describing words from an advertisement, and this way we have covered up our SLO, classify into different categories and use more naming, action and describing words from pictures, signboards, advertisements, labels, etc. in their immediate and extended environment. So yes, my dear teacher and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have got about how we can advertise anything else that we want to do. Okay, about our business, it can be about anything else that you are interested in. So in this way we have cleared our SLO today. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.